How to clip on Kick. Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. Today you're going to learn how to clip on Kick, so please watch this tutorial until the end to properly understand it. So here I am into kick.com. I really recommend you to create an account in order to make your clip editing. What you need to do is go and click on browse, and here you're going to be able to find some clips. These probably are some clips that some people have made previously. I mean, not the users themselves, but some other people could be created these clips. And if you go into one of these, you're gonna be able just to convert to mobile shorts. Okay, this is another process, because if you want to create a clip, you need to go to a live channel and select whatever do you want. For instance, this one, why not? And at the bottom of this video, you're going to find next to full screen, or between enter theater mode and full screen, the create clip option. So it takes a while to enter into clip editing mode. Please wait patiently while it loads. So this could take around, I don't know, like 2 minutes. So by now I'm going to skip this video until the process is 100% over. So now that my process is over, this is going to open this new tab edition. So this is gonna take just 30 seconds from now. These 30 seconds, I guess you're gonna be able to switch some of these seconds. Let me check. Okay, yes, you are gonna be able to select from other seconds, but just between like a minute and a half. And obviously the clip is around 30 seconds. You can expand it until 60 seconds, or make it shorter until 15 seconds. Once you have done that, you need to enter a description here. And remember that the remaining time to edit is around 5 minutes, so you must be fast on this process, okay? Once your clip has been complete, you need to click on publish, and that's how you can create a clip on Kick. Thanks for watching.